Hello, once again, welcome to Mathline channel. In this channel, you will be getting a maths lesson every week. Those who have not watched the previous lessons, please watch from the beginning and continue watching. Also, share and forward to maximum number of students. Here, today, I would like to explain another important theorem in geometry and its proof. What it is? It is nothing but isosceles triangle theorem or the proof of isosceles triangle theorem. What is isosceles theorem that you have learned? It is related to the sides and angles of isosceles triangles. That is, the theorem states that when two sides of a triangle are congruent, then the angle opposite to them are congruent. So while proving in this theorem, it is mentioned that two sides of a triangle are equal. What is to prove? The angles opposite to them are equal. So you have to draw a figure that is an isosceles triangle. This is the figure. Name of the figure is triangle ABC, where AB is equal to AC. That is given in the theorem. To prove which is the angle opposite to AB and AC, angle C and angle B. Therefore, to prove angle B congruent to angle C. So, in order to prove this theorem, you have to use congruence of triangle. Test of congruent triangles. What are the conditions for triangles to be congruent? You have studied various tests of congruence, that is SAS, ASA, SAA, etc. Any of these tests you have to use to prove the two triangles are congruent. So you have to make the isosceles triangle into two triangles. For that you have to do one construction. What is the construction is to be done? Draw the bisector of angle A, which intersects the side BC at the point D. When you draw the bisector, the triangle ABC is divided into two triangles. Which are they? Triangle ABD and triangle ACD. Prove the two triangles are congruent by any of the tests using the given information and or postulates. Using that, you can prove that two triangles are congruent. So, first you have to draw the figure, do the construction, then write given. What is given? In triangle ABC, AB equal to AC. To prove angle B congruent to angle C. Now construction. Draw the angle bisector of angle A, which intersect the side BC at the point D. That you have to mention. Then only you will get the two triangles here. Then start writing the statements. In triangle ABD and triangle ACD, how you have to name? Triangle ABD and triangle ACD. It is correspondence is like that. AB equal to AC. Reason given. AD equal to AD. AD is the common side for both the triangle. So what reason you will write? Common side. Then angle BAD equal to angle CAD. What is the reason? AD is the bisector. Bisector divide the angle into two congruent parts. So, by the bisector, angle A is divided into two congruent angles, that is angle BAD and angle CAD. So, for this you can write the reason by construction. We constructed the angle bisector of angle A. Because of that, these two angles are equal. Clear these statements? So, we got two sides and one angle. How it is? The angle is in between the two congruent sides. So, by which test it is? By, therefore, triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD by SAS test. Two sides and included angle of one triangle are respectively congruent to two sides and included angle of other triangle, then these two triangles are congruent by SAS test. These are the sufficient condition for triangles to be congruent. Which are the 6 conditions? The remaining two angles and one side, that will be automatically satisfied if it is satisfied. SAS, two sides and angle. Clear? So the remaining conditions are called corresponding sides or corresponding angles of congruent triangle. So here this angle B or angle B with respect to the triangle ABD mentioned as angle ABD is congruent to angle ACD. What reason you will write? Corresponding angles of congruent triangle. We proved the triangles are congruent by SAS test. So remaining congruent parts are this angle ABD and angle ACD. So what is the short form? CACT, corresponding angles of congruent triangles. So we got angle ABD congruent to angle ACD. So with respect to the triangle ABC, they are nothing but angle B and angle C. That is angle B congruent to angle C from 5. Clear? That hence the proof. That only to prove. So what we have done? We made the isosceles triangle into two congruent triangle by constructing the angle bisector, and proved that two triangles are congruent by SAS test, and took the remaining congruent parts, that is corresponding angles of congruent triangle, that is nothing but angle ABD and angle ACD. Understood the proof? Each and every statement and the corresponding reason how to write is very important. I think you understood it. That is the end of today's lesson. Thank you for watching this lesson. See you next week with a new topic. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you.